Hey everyone, Farm Life, episode 365,435. I'm getting old. And actually I'm not, it's not quite that long, is it? I mean, it's been, just on 2 weeks actually, I think that I've been here down at Congo, Club Coco. And today's effort today, look at this. We've got this going on now. One thing I do love about being home in Brisbane is going around to Sam's place for lamb to Sam. Now, he's not here and he's only given me, very staunch advice from a distance. But anyway, what we're doing today is we're going for the lamb in the oven. Now, of course, this has been fresh slaughtered. I've been out this morning. I'm sparing you the gore and the mess. And as I don't know how to slaughter a sheep. No, I didn't do that. No, this is actually bought from, of course, our old mates at Woolworths. And she's all done up. Rosemary, garlic, impregnated. Going into the oven. Going to slow cook it. Something like, I think 5-6 hours we're going to spend in there. Preheated, all set to go. It's going to be put on the half onions. We're going to put some roast potatoes in later, some carrots with some seasoning. So that's the excitement today. Now, the other thing too, I've got to let you know, and down here in New South Wales, Victoria, ACT, I think it's the same, is of course, there's something really troubling these people down here. And of course, you might know about this and it might be no secret, but they had this thing called, and my international friends, they have this thing called daylight saving. Now, of course, in Queensland, oh, hang on, there's someone's trying to ring me. Hang on, they can wait. Look, I don't even want to know who that is. Anyway, so there's daylight saving down here. Now, how crazy is that? Of course, in Queensland, we wouldn't have a bar of it. We're worried about the curtains fading and the cows not knowing when to come in. But there's true evidence of this today. And I might investigate this over the coming days. But look, the dog disappeared yesterday. Daylight savings obviously done his head in. And he came back like 8 p.m. or something like that. Now, that was late. That was late according to the farm owner here. But as far as I'm concerned, no, it was just an hour later or an hour earlier. I don't even know the way it works. But anyway, I've abstained from daylight saving while I've been down here. I've kept all my times on Queensland time because we know that makes complete sense. Anyway, that's enough of a rant today. We'll see you another time on Farm Life here at Club Coco in the Congo.